Homes with beautiful surroundings deserve windows that showcase them properly. Whether overlooking tree-lined streets, water views, or open green spaces, expansive views add daily enjoyment and lasting value. For homeowners in Mandeville, Bow Windows offer an ideal way to maximize scenic views while enhancing comfort and interior appeal. Their curved design creates a wider field of vision and brings the outdoors into everyday living spaces. How Bow Windows expand your view. Bow windows are made up of multiple window panels arranged in a gentle curve that extends outward from the home. This design creates a panoramic effect that flat windows can't match. In Mandeville neighborhoods, Bow Windows allow homeowners to enjoy wider outdoor views from multiple angles. The curved structure captures scenery across a broader span, making outdoor spaces feel closer and more immersive. Enhancing natural light throughout the day. Expansive views go hand in hand with natural light. Bow Windows bring sunlight into the home from several directions. For Mandeville homeowners, this means brighter rooms throughout the day. Morning light, afternoon sun, and soft evening brightness all contribute to a warm, welcoming atmosphere that enhances daily comfort. Creating a strong indoor-outdoor connection. One of the greatest benefits of Bow Windows is how they visually connect interior spaces with the outdoors. In Mandeville homes, Bow Windows create a seamless transition between inside and outside. Living rooms, dining areas, or sitting spaces feel more open, allowing homeowners to enjoy the beauty of their surroundings without stepping outdoors. Improving comfort near window areas. Windows should be enjoyed, not avoided. Poorly performing windows can create drafts or temperature discomfort near seating areas. Well-designed Bow Windows help maintain comfortable conditions near the glass. Mandeville homeowners often find that areas near Bow Windows become favorite spots for relaxing, reading, or enjoying the view. Enhancing interior space and depth. Bow Windows add depth to interior rooms by extending outward from the wall. This extra dimension changes how a room feels. In Mandeville homes, this added depth helps rooms feel larger and more inviting. The space created by a bow window can be used for seating, decor, or simply as a visual focal point. Supporting flexible interior design. Because bow windows create a natural focal area, they help guide furniture placement and room layout. Mandeville homeowners appreciate the design flexibility Bow Windows provide. Furniture can be arranged to highlight the view while maintaining a balanced, functional layout. Elevating exterior appearance. Bow Windows don't just enhance the interior, they also improve the home's exterior appearance. In Mandeville neighborhoods, the gentle curve of Bow Windows adds architectural interest and charm. Homes often stand out with a more refined and inviting facade. Adding long-term appeal and value. Expansive views are a valuable feature in any home. Bow Windows help preserve and highlight this advantage. For Mandeville homeowners, Bow Windows add long-term appeal by making the most of scenic surroundings. Homes that showcase their views effectively often feel more desirable and well-designed over time. Making everyday moments more enjoyable. Expansive views aren't just for special occasions. Bow Windows make it easy to enjoy scenery during everyday activities. Mandeville homeowners often find that meals, conversations, or quiet moments feel more enjoyable when framed by beautiful outdoor views. A natural choice for scenic living. When a home offers scenic surroundings, the right window design can elevate the experience. For homeowners in Mandeville, Bow Windows are a natural choice for expansive views. By widening sightlines, increasing natural light, and enhancing comfort, they transform everyday living spaces into bright, open environments that celebrate the beauty of the neighborhood every day.